Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Look Fantastic. So if you want to see what's inside in December Look Fantastic 2021, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to subscribe, lovelies, thank you so much for your tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Look Fantastic for December 2021. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It cost £15 a month, including the shipping fee, and they have also subscription plan available. So if you subscribe to them for 12 months, you will receive this box for only £13, and if you subscribe for 6 months, I think you will receive this one for only £13.75, I think, and for 3 months you will receive this one for £14. All the info will be in the description box below, and every month you will receive 6 beauty products from makeup to skincare. So yes, this is color for this month. It's a red one, perfect for this season, Christmas season, red, Christmassy. And to be honest, lovelies, when I hold this box, it's very light. I thought there wasn't any products inside because it's so light. It seems like there's no products inside, but we'll see. Let's check it out. When you open it, on leaflet it says, "Sparkle this festive season and have a very Merry Christmas with love from Team Beauty Box." And then we have the white tissue paper, and then we have all the products inside. As always, there's no leaflet, there's no card of the QR code, so I can't tell you any of this product, but for the price, I will pop always in here. Even last month too, I forgot to upload the video, but I didn't receive any of the leaflet, and also the QR code, I didn't receive anything. So yes, we'll see how we'll go. So now let's see the products inside. So the first one here, and I don't really mind receiving this because I use them a lot. This is from Hollywood Browser, hair remover and the dermaplaning tool, shape brows. Yes, I use it on my eyebrows when there's like a really tiny hair, and I can get it with this tool here, and I can get it on. I usually use this kind of product, this kind of applicator, and it says quick, easy, and pain-free hair removal and exfoliation. The benefits of dermaplaning is safely removes the top layer of dead dull skin and pitch fast, instantly reveals smooth radiant skin. Makeup will have a flawless finish. Skincare penetrates more effectively. So this is perfect for eyebrows, sideburn, peach fuzz, upper lip, chin, bikini line, fingers, toes, neck, hairline, ears, stray hairs. Oh, I heard this brand before, but yes, I never tried it, so we'll see. Let's see. And then we have an eye mask here from COLLAB, satin sleeping mask. I have already this product here because I have it in glossy box advent calendar, but this is a different color because I have, I think, pink. That one, this is a gold one. Yeah, they are very soft, very soft. So yes, a full size. And then we have also a full size from Star Skin VIP, the gold mask eye revitalizing luxury gold foil eye mask. So here we go. It says, use immediately after opening. For extremely sensitive and allergic skin, a patch test is recommended. Yes. Do you have also instruction at the back? Yes, I can't tell you anything about this product, lovelies, because I don't have leaflet. I don't have the QR code to scan in them. So here we go, the third product. And then we have from ENQUIRIES, which is, I don't really mind receiving them because, as you know, ENQUIRIES is quite expensive brand, and I love using them. They are great brand, very expensive brand, but the products, they works on my skin. So yes, this is the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, anti-aging. It has 30 ml. So if I have in my multiple subscription boxes, I really don't mind receiving them because I use them a lot. So this one is this luxurious gel cleanser help reduce surfaces, oil, and impurities, energizing the skin for optimum performance and a youthful glow. And then we also have, which is I have it already, which is this is from Lottie London, the haze one, the shade haze. Let me get mine. This one I'm using at the moment. As you can see, I do really like it, lovelies, because it's very subtle blush, perfect for every day if you just want to like a bit color of on your cheeks. So I use this a lot. Here is the shade. As you can see, it's like a buildable blush. But yeah, I really do like this one, so I use them a lot. Do I need another one? No, because no, this blush, it will take me a lot to finish it, to empty it. But yeah, I have another one here, but I think I will give this one to my friends or family. And then the last one we have here in this box is from ENQUIRIES. It's an highlighter pencil. I have this one, but in this dark shade. I have in the shade Champagne, and this one in the shade Pearl, so it's quite different one. Let me swatch. Ooh, this is perfect for under eye area. Let me pop in your under eye. I have a black one, so I just pop under my eye. I don't even know if you can see it, but this one is perfect to under your eyebrow too. So yes, I will definitely use this product. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. As you can see, it's really a quick unboxing because I don't have the leaflet, I don't have the QR code. So yes, and let's do a recap, lovelies. We have 3 full-size items in here, which is the Star Skin, the Gold Mask Eye, the Glove Satin Sleeping Mask, and the Hollywood Browser. And then we have a full size from ENQUIRIES, which is the Spotlight Highlighter Pencil in the shade Pearl. And then we have a full size from Lottie London in the shade Haze. And a travel size from Elefimis, the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. So here we go, all the products. And overall, lovelies, I didn't expect better than last month. Definitely last month, the sizes of the products, it's so tiny. Even the pencil one, it's so tiny. So better sizes this month. And overall, lovelies, the products that I receive, I will definitely use it. The blush, I have it already, so if do I need another one? Nope. So yes, I will give this one to someone, to my friends or family. But overall, I will definitely use every single product in this box, which is really surprised me. Last month I was really not happy at all, but I've got this one for half price. They had an offer before that if you subscribe to them for 6 months, you will get a half price. So I get this subscription box as half price, which is not bad at all. So yes, overall this month, yes, it's better than last month in my opinion. So that's all, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Stay safe and take care, lovelies. Bye.